Tiga.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. So today our group will present about the screw jack table DFA analysis. First of all, I will introduce our group members. First is Muhammad WAFI, next is Muhammad FAIZUL AMRI, Muhammad HAZIQ, Muhammad AZMAN and Muhammad YAZID. So we will go for the introduction. The FMA method design effectiveness is improved and integration is facilitated when fewer active parts are utilized through standardization, simplification, and group technology retrieval of information related to existing or preferred products and process. Next is manufacturability is enhanced through incorporation of DFM practice. Next, design alternative evaluates and design tools are used to develop a mature and producible design before release for manufacture. Lastly, the product and process designs include a structure to balance product quality with design effort and product robust. Next, for the objective, I will pass to HAZIQ.
Okay, for the objective, disassemble the screw jack table into singular part for evaluation. Is the first one. Okay, next is evaluate the assembly efficiency of the original product by using manual both through rehearse evaluation worksheet. Okay, next is evaluate the assembly efficiency of redesigned product by using manual both through rehearse evaluation worksheet. Okay, lastly, compare the assembly efficiency of original and redesigned product in terms of assembly time and assembly cost. Okay, next for the score, I will pass to Muhammad Yazid.
Okay, next. Okay, for the scope of study, the product that will be improved in this project is a screw jack table. And second, the product part will be disassembled and evaluated to study its function. And third, the product design will be improved and the cost will be calculated manually by using the DFA table. Finally, both original design and improved design will be compared based on the DFA table. Next, for the literature review, Suresh Ramabalan and Natarajan, 2016. For the title is the DFMA concept. The finding is by implementing the FMA in the concept design phase, significant cost reduction can be realized since again 60 to 80% of the product cost will be fixed in this phase. And the second for the Lu et al. 2020, the FMA guideline, it is systematic procedure that help companies make the fullest use of manufacturing and assembly process. Example, through emphasizing the ease of manufacture and assembly by minimizing the number of parts. And lastly, for the engine manufacturing MCR safety, for the title of advantage of the FMA shortens assembly time by utilizing standard assembly practice such as vertical assembly and self-aligning part. The FMA also ensures that the transition from the design phase to the product phase is as smooth and rapid as possible. Next, I give to Wafi.
So after that, we will go for the methodology. First, we start with overview on existing screw jack table per dimension. After that, we go for the Boothroyd rehearse analysis. So in this method, we have 5 steps. First, we disassemble the product and classification for each part. After that, assembly process evaluation is done. Next, we go for the proposed parts modification. Last but not least, we go for the evaluation. And lastly, we do the comparison of the result of the original and modified parts. And then after the method, we go for the redesign and modified to reduce parts for easy for assembly. Next, we will do for the DFA analysis modified parts. Lastly, we compare the results original versus the modified. So next.
Okay, next is the result. Okay, the original design of the screw jack table. Okay, first is the exploded view of the original design. As you can see, there's a 36 individual part in the picture, in the right picture. Okay, second is the total alpha plus beta for the part in the screw jet table. This is the 12th part, and as we see, there's a difference in the total degree of the alpha plus beta, with the highest of 730 A20. Okay, next is the evolution of the original screw jet table. Okay, from this table, we can see that the total manual assembly time, or the TM, total manual assembly time has the number of 166.63. The cost of the manual assembly is 78.61 ringgit, and the minimum number of part is 20. The design efficiency for the ordinary screw jet can be calculated using the formula, and the result is 0.31 or 31%. Okay, this is the modified design. From this, we can see that the L joint and the plate, 3mm plate, are combined into the top base and the top plate and base plate. The screw are also removed. All the 12 screw are removed and combined into the modified design. Okay, next the exploded view of the redesigned product. There is a fewer number of parts as in the figure left. You can see there is a fewer part. Okay, next is the evolution of the redesigned screw jet table. There is a significant decrease in the total manual assembly time with the value of 145.27 seconds. And next is the cost manual of assembly also decreased with the value of 58 ringgit and 10 cents. The theoretical minimum number of parts is 20. The design efficiency increased to 0.41 or 41%. The comparison of data analysis between original design and the improved design of the screw jet table. The total assembly time increased with the improvement of 26.12%. The total number of parts decreased from 36 to 20. The total cost of the product assembly also decreased to with the improvement of 26.09%. The design efficiency also increased from 31 to 41% with the improvement percentage of 32.6%. Okay, for the conclusion, I will pass to my friend.
Okay, lastly for the conclusion, the FMA analysis can also assist us with improving our screw jack table product. This is illustrated as the amount of component and manufacturing time on the device being researched is minimized. The increase in the required assembly time tend to be about 26.12%. Other than that, the overall expense of the product innovation still indicate a massive change, which is 78 ringgit and 61 cents. The overall expense of the redesigned component is 58 ringgit and 10 cents. It does illustrate that up to 26.09% of the redesigned product can be saved, which can be seen as beneficial. The design efficiency also increased as high as 32.6%. So we can conclude that this project are successful. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for lending your ears.
Thank you.